Okay, one take. We're going to test out this new Bluetooth speaker called the Sony SRS-XB20. Little baby Bluetooth speaker. See if it sounds any good. See if it's worth the price. Okay. Comes with some paperwork and one little cord. USB cord. Okay, about that long. And here we have the speaker. It's got some weight to it. Very weighty. Feels solid in the hand. Okay. Small. Sort of sits at a slight angle, pointing up about, I don't know, 10 degrees, sort of this way. Sort of has a sort of a rubbery type, hard rubber feel to it. So it feels good. So let's see if it comes charged up. All right. So we're going to try to link it real quick. Okay, so I got my Bluetooth on. Let's see if it recognizes it. Trying to pair it real quick. Okay, it just found it. Pairing it. Okay, all right. Good to go. Done. Now let's find some music to play. Let's see, where do I keep? Okay, here we go. Some audio. And then let's go to this folder. Okay. Let's just start with let's start with this song. Okay, initial impression. Turn it up. Wow. Turn it down with the buttons here. Or here, you know. Okay, I think it's got the extra bass. It comes defaulted with the extra bass on. Let me cut it off. Yeah. Yeah, to me it sounds a lot better with the extra bass button pushed in, at least on this song. Yeah, that sounds quite good. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, I only paid, I believe I paid $50 for this. One time, I think when it first came out, it was around $100. But yeah, I can see where this would be worth maybe as much as $100. $50, yeah, that's a good buy. That's pretty decent quality. That's better than I was expecting. Okay, let's try a couple other songs real quick. Let's try acoustic guitar. Wow, impressive. That sounds good for such a small speaker. Very good. Okay, let's try another song. Let's don't do that one. Let's try like dance music. See how that kick drum sounds. Okay. Okay, not bad. Okay. Okay, I gotta say that one more. Let's try so you can hear the acoustic up close. Alright, I'm going to wrap up this review and say this is not bad. I think these lights, I think there's a way, I know, matter of fact, I know there's a way you can cut them off. I have to read the instructions. These little side lights. But yeah, weighty, has a nice feel to it. Feels solid, like there's actually something in there. And pretty decent sound. I'm impressed for, of course, I don't know, $100. That's kind of, I don't know if I'd pay that for it. But I got it for $50. It's definitely worth $50. I'd say it's probably worth as much as $75, maybe $80. But yeah, not bad at all. Okay, I'm gonna have to say, if you're looking into, I know there's this is the 20 and there's a 30 and a 40 version, which, you know, it's bigger and costs more. But this small 20 version, which is all I wanted something small to, actually what I bought it for is to try to help me sleep better. I've always had an insomnia problem. Trying to get off this insomnia medication that I've been on for like over 20 years and try to fall asleep to some music, and I just want a small speaker. The phone's doesn't have quite a good enough speaker. I want something a little bit better than that, but I don't want anything too big. So I'm gonna try this out. See if it helps me fall asleep better. So yeah, Sony comes out with a winning product again, I would say. And you got I like how it's also got an audio in jack if you want to use that, so you don't have to use Bluetooth. That's kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna have to give this a B+.